for Canada. Say the Amaka sef don join them. Now he be final worker. He don declare himself as Biafra. Now he dey work with them. Now so I talk say no. Which Amaka Simon Ekpa you call dey talk again? No be that Amaka wey dey say make e no near you. That Amaka wey dey say you want you stay shine. Amaka say come join you. I say me make I see the wait, make I dey follow up. Now I call go the Canada Biafra Lazo office for their platform, that is their page. Make I go see say before the Biafra Prime Minister dey talk those people e go still definitely dey their page. As I reach there gbagbam, na so they confirm and say the truth be say Amaka don join Biafra. Amaka don join the Biafra. In fact, he don join the Biafra so be say e dey for inside Canada. Now from the Lazo office, now they declare the breaking news also to back up wetin Simon Ekpa dey